How to find referral code on Temu mobile application. So let's start. In this video I'm using Android. Open the app. Then go here, click on this U icon. And next click this Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Click Redeem Cash. Click Start. And now, we're gonna spin this wheel. We're gonna receive some coins or points. And if you click here, refer new app users, you can get this link for your friends and you can invite them and you can earn some money and you can send it to your PayPal. And that's it. This is how can you find referral code on Temu application, mobile application. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and see you one click later. Goodbye.